Hello guys, review tablet Teclast T50. This version 8GB RAM memory and 128GB internal memory. Open box and look completation. Of course, we have tablet in completation, 11-inch display, and another completation: documentary, adapter for charging, and Type-C cable. Now talk about device. On the front side, 11-inch display. On this, power button and wall buttons, Type-C port. On this, without controls, downside speakers, upside second speakers. Okay, turn on. We have Full HD plus resolution IPS display. Open settings, look Android version. About tablet, we have Android 12. Okay, and run AnTuTu benchmark. Look AnTuTu benchmark results. AnTuTu benchmark results, we have CPU Unisoc Tiger T616 and Mali G57 GPU. Okay, close. Run GTA San Andreas. Okay, works perfect on the max graphic level. Close this. Look camera. And we have modes: camera, panorama, pro mode, photo, video mode, time lapse, QR code scanner, and that's all. Okay. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.